Hey sweetie cakes, I have another material post for you. Recently I've been getting a few the subscription packages that you order, like magazines, and then you get something, well, completely random and surprise boxes in the mail. Well, who doesn't like getting packages? I do. And so this time I have this Betoyo Bento package to show you. It has these toys and candy and some random Japanese thingies, and you can order it for a month or maybe for 3 months. I will put some links under there. Okay, so this is the box. It actually came really fast because I got the tracking code and they said that I would be probably getting it this week, but I had gotten the package the same day they actually said it. Okay, let's open. I haven't done any of these unpackaging thingies videos, so I'm a bit nervous because I usually check the stuff out before I photograph or video take them. Oh, it's like a really cute gift. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, it has a red ribbon around it. Yay! There it's Betoyo Bento. I don't want to break it, but I have to. Okay. There is toys. I love toys. There's some stickers saying Betoyo Bento. It's really cute. I don't know if you can see it. Then there is... Okay, let's take the first item. I don't know what series this is from. I think it's candy. I think they are kind of like mints. There's this metal box and it has some Ymir character on it. Let's see if I can open it nicely. Oh, it's a sliding thing. Yeah, there are some mint thingies, white thingies inside. This is really cool. I got it. Okay. Next one is an egg. I don't know what it is. There's this little square thing inside. Okay. School idol project. I think this is a collectible. I don't know how to open it. Ooh. Like this, maybe. I don't know. There is this little smiley face, square box. Everything is covered with plastic. Well, typical Japanese. It's like a rubber box. Can I open it somehow? Am I just really stupid or I don't know what this is? Because if it's just like a eraser, then it's kind of weird. I don't know. I guess it is. But it has this cute little white face. But then what this is? Because it has these girl pictures in it. Maybe it's from... Ah! It's from something else. Is it a game or something? Yeah! Oh! They are playing cards! Oh my god! They're so cute! Actually, I'm hosting this Lolita game night next month, so we're definitely gonna play with this. Oh, this is really cute. Then there's some figurine. I don't know the series. Surprise. Because I usually watch some older anime series. Oh, it's this girl with glasses. This one. Okay, I'm gonna do it later. Oh, Sailor Moon. I wonder what it is. These are some chibi characters, and chibis are always cute. It's the pink one! Oh my god! Yay! It's adorable! Oh my god! Okay, so I'm gonna put these together and then show you how they look. Isn't she cute? So adorable! And she can move and dance. Oh, this is the best one I could have ever wished for. And there's this tiny Luna ball kitten. Yeah, I love it. Then I put together the other one. It has this kind of a puzzle pieces bottom thing. I think you can place several figures in the spots. But this is actually really cute too. She has Megan and she's blushing a bit, so it's really cute. There could have been some kind of a robot thingy, not really my style, so I was really lucky. And she has a chair and some, I think it's a computer or calculator or maybe a Game Boy. I don't know. So, okay. In conclusion, there was a container, which I will use for something. A box eraser. Yee! Sailor Moon figurine. Mints. They smell really good. Other little girls. And then the playing cards. These are like really perfect. Ah! Now they fell off. But these look like some magical girl cards. I'm not really sure what they are. School Idol Project. I think it's an anime series. Need to check it out. Okay, so Betoyo Bento. Yeah, it was really nice. If you like these sort of things like toys and candy and surprises, so yeah, definitely. And it was really fast, the shipping. Would never have guessed. So, okay, I hope you like it. And maybe I'll do some more videos soon. Maybe not if I have time. Who knows? Okay, bye.